What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to Investing with Paco. Today we'll be going over ticker symbol MULN, Muln Automotive. This is a play that I'm currently still in, holding several call options expiring in the next month or so. This is going to be giving you guys a brief update and price action in Muln Automotive. There's still lots of movement to be made in the stock, just in case you're still in this play, thinking about getting in this play. And also, we have some big news. In my opinion, we might be getting another rally on the small cap company's place yet again, and we'll be going over about why I think so. All that and more in this video. But remember, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, because I tend to upload videos just like this involving the stock market, crypto market, anything that will make us financially free in the future. We'll discuss about it in this channel. And with that being said, let's get this video started. Alright guys, we are currently on WEBULL looking at ticker symbol MULN, Muln Automotive. We see that we closed right at $1.75, but after hours we actually ended up moving up to 9.1% towards the upside, closing right at $1.91 after hours. This is amazing. We see that we had around 157 million in volume today, currently a downside from yesterday, but still plenty of volume out there. And as you can see here, we did end up having a dip below this fib line of 61.8%, which was underneath $1.61, which yesterday I made a video on Muln Automotive saying that it was super important to keep maintaining this fib line, which we did, except for this moment, but it's for good reason why we ended up dipping briefly. And it's because, as you know, today we had the Fed meeting of what was going to happen. So if we jump real quick on the SPY, we see the same exact dip here, which was around, I would say 1:30, because the meeting was like, the conference was around 2 p.m. Eastern time, and there was lots of fear right before this meeting with J-Powell about maybe they're gonna end up jacking up rates super high, maybe risk of a recession and all this. But actually J-Powell came out and pretty much affirmed, saying that okay, today, this month, we'll have our first rate hike of 0.25%, which is a 0.25%, which is what the market had already priced in, which you can see reflecting on the price chart on the SPY real quick, going towards the upside. Pretty much J-Powell came out and confirmed every single thing that the market was kind of fearing, that maybe they're going to flip on us, maybe they're going to rug pull us, maybe they're going to jack up interest rates super high up right off the back. But none of that actually happened. We actually got confirmation that they will be raising interest rates 7 times this year. So if you think about it, 0.25% each time, 7 times, will be up around a percent, 1.7% towards the upside, which is, in my opinion, ideal for the market, not to not to struggle in the long term. Yeah, about a percent, 1.75% in rate hikes by the end of this year, and obviously the next year coming up, and more rate hikes coming up. And at least at this moment, there was a question asked about if a possible recession might be coming towards our end pretty soon, and he kind of affirmed, saying they have no fears on any recession, meaning they probably think that they're going to have inflation under control, which hopefully, let's see what happens the next month or two, but at least this is going to give breathing room for all these small cap companies that actually run. For example, Muln Automotive, we saw it break this fib line of 78.6% after hours, obviously. So coming tomorrow, what we need to see Muln Automotive is, let's see what happens if we do end up retracing back to this fib line of 78.6, which is, keep in mind, a price target of $1.81. If we come back and test this fib line of $1.81 and bounce back up, that would, at least in my opinion, mean that this could be another potential key level support that we could maintain, which in turn will produce another movement towards the upside. Super important. Hopefully that is exactly what happens, because we are seeing that we are heading towards a 100% fib line, which is around $1.10. Actually, let's drop it down to the 1 hour, because I know the screen is kind of blocking the view of the fib line. So yeah, right at 100%, it's actually at $1.06. Let's see what happens. Moving forward, what we need to see for Muln Automotive opening up is maintain this fib line up $1.81, which is a 78.6% Fibonacci extension. Let's see if it doesn't retracing back, which in my opinion, obviously this is only my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, but in my opinion, after what was said today from J Powell, this is going to give more breathing room for all these small caps. For example, Muln, for example, AMC, all these other smaller market cap stocks that actual start running again and actually bring more risks into the market. Because even after today, we saw crypto prices actually surging up. We saw Ethereum surge all the way up to close to 2,800, which we haven't seen probably in a couple weeks, if not over a month. And also we saw Bitcoin actually head above 41,000. These are super important indicators to telling us there's going to be more risk plays coming up in the near future, meaning possibly more momentum, more volume plays, which is, my opinion, my favorite strategy to make quick, easy money. Which today I ended up trading a couple plays. I traded Charge Point, and I think that was it. I was thinking about placing a play on the downside on the SPY. Thankfully, I didn't, because I would have been smoked. But that's how it is trading wise. Sometimes you make money, sometimes you lose money. But obviously, in the long term, hopefully our winners ends up making us way more money than our losers. So yeah, guys, like I said, moving tomorrow, let's see if Muln Automotive can crack the $2 mark. I have high hopes. Like I said, I'm still in this play, being super transparent. If I do end up selling, for example, we hit a certain, if we end up breaking $2 and we end up hitting another resistance line, and I see we might retrace back down, I will let you guys know if I do end up selling. That way you guys are more informed. But more importantly, we do end up breaking $2 and then we end up bouncing back and retracing the $2 mark. That would pretty much give me a confirmation that there probably will be more room to move up to the upside. But I guess let's see what happens, and let's take it step at a time. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy, and we'll catch you all next time. Peace.